Gas fireplaces, gas logs, and gas inserts are three of the products that we offer to our clients. If you've reached a point in your life where you want to make it easier, a set of gas logs might be the right option for you. It's a click with a remote control on and off. They burn clean. They look beautiful. If you have a masonry fireplace and you want to get more heat out of that fireplace and increase the ambiance, a gas insert is best for you. Installing gas fireplaces is not as easy as it sounds. There's a lot of things that go into installing a gas fireplace to make it safe and to have it work for years and years. Having someone install a gas fireplace correctly using the manufacturer's installation instructions is the only way to go. Take a look online and find something that you like, and then call us at Winston's. We'll get it for you and have it installed.